Chances for rain showers and storms will highlight the forecast for this evening and tonight, and because of that, we are going weather aware for the flood potential. Could see some areas of severe storms as well, damaging wind gusts, also a main threat, also a non-zero threat for a spin-up tornado. As of right now, here's a view from McLeod Mountain looking southwest. Just about 30 minutes ago, we saw some strong storms. I think those storms about to move into Fentress County, about to move into Cumberland County. Those look to be weakening. We're looking at those from our Nashville radar, but still seeing some light to moderate showers in Fentress County. Crossville about to be seeing some of that rain. An area where the storms aren't weakening is Loudoun County. Zooming in to Loudoun County, seeing some heavy showers making their way in. It looks like Meigs County, extreme northern sections, seeing some heavy rain and lightning too. That storm is not severe, but it is strong, probably producing some gusty winds. So if you live by Cedar Fork, you're about to be seeing that rain really picking up. Paint Rock, Midway Elementary, if you live in those areas, the rain is about to get pretty heavy, and that will pose a risk for flooding. As of right now, a little break in the action. We had that cluster of storms making their way into the Cumberland Plateau, and a few stronger storms south of I-40, mainly in Loudoun County. Besides that, really not a whole lot going on, just that very muggy feel is in the air. Here's a view from Knoxville looking at those storms in Loudoun County. We had that camera pointed southwest. 83 winds out of the south-southwest on this Saturday. We have a flash flood watch, and this will be in effect from 8 o'clock this evening all the way through Sunday, 11 o'clock. I do think the potential for areas of 2 to 4 inches of rain, maybe even a little higher, that is in the cards as we go throughout the overnight. That's why flooding is a major concern. And also within this flood watch, there could be some areas of severe weather producing damaging winds as well. Taking it hour by hour, chances for rain really picking up after midnight, especially late tonight into early Sunday morning. That's probably the best chance for that rain. Here is that severe storm threat. So it is a 2 out of 5. The latest update has increased that potential for the overnight. Damaging wind gusts, brief spin-up tornado, frequent lightning. Those are the main hazards as we go throughout the overnight into early Sunday morning. Now here's a computer model showing a break in the action this evening until late, and then we have some convection across the Kentucky-Tennessee border, and then really becoming widespread overnight. Here's 4 o'clock in the morning, just a model, so it might not exactly happen this way, but kind of gives us a good idea that rain is expected tonight, and some of that could be heavy, leading to that flood potential. Here's 7 a.m., so out the door Sunday morning, could be dealing with some areas of heavy rain and flooding. Sunday 11 o'clock still shows heavy rain across southeast sections, finally becoming more widely scattered in the afternoon. Could still see a few stronger storms. The main threat still, I think, is the flooding. High across northwest sections and medium for everybody. So that is possible, and especially at night, make sure to turn around and don't drown, because you're not going to know how deep that water is, and it doesn't take much for a person to be swept away, and really not much for a car to be swept away either. So if you see flooded roads, make sure to turn around and don't drown. Tomorrow, chances for storms will be on the decrease. Still could see a few areas of those heavier showers as we go throughout the day Sunday. After that, our concern turns from the storms to the extreme heat. We're seeing this big high pressure ridge. That is a very summer-like pattern. As we turn the calendar from June to July, it's looking very hot. When the rain potential looks to be low through Wednesday, but as that ridge breaks down late week, could see a few pop-up storms. Here's our 7-day. We are weather aware Sunday morning for those flooding and for the severe potential. Beyond that, temperatures really skyrocket up to the mid-90s. Heat index 100 to 105. Looks very hot and humid as we go throughout next week, and some isolated chances for storms return by late in the week.